Alright guys, so today is going to be a fitness haul, a huge fitness haul, and I'm going to start with Forever 21. Now for the Forever 21 stuff, I tried them on for you guys, which is a very new experience for me. I am not yet comfortable in my body to do try-on videos, but for these Forever 21 stuff, I'm just coming out of my shell a little bit. Okay, so let's start with the sports bras. So for all the sports bras, I got a medium, and this is the first color that I got, is just a gray, and there's a tight that matches this sports bra so well. So I like the detail at the back, and I love how these sports bras don't make my fat bulge out. Yes, I like how these sports bras don't make my fat bulge out. I love how they fit me for all the tights and for everything I got from Forever 21 out in a medium. Some of them really surprised me, some of them are closer than others, but anyway, I'll get to that. But the sports bras, I love how the sports bras fit me. They fit me nice and snug. I can run in them, jump in them. Oh, I love them so much. I don't know, athletic bra, charcoal black, and it was $12, and it's a medium. So that's that. Stop doing that. And I got this one I love so much, the detail at the back. A couple of fitness lines have this similar one. Fabletics has one similar, Lululemon has one similar sorry, and Victoria's Secret has one similar. I love the back of it. It's a medium as well, as I said to you guys before. My sports bras are a medium, and this one is called Zoom, I don't know. This one is all of them just say athletic sports bra and black and white, and this one I spent $14 for, and all of them fit me nice and snug. My boobs are secure, and this one is, I love it. This one reminds me of Adidas. I love it really much. I love the back of it as well. I like the little logo right there, and of course it's in a medium, as I told you guys before. And this one is also called just athletic sports bra, black and white, and I paid $14.90 for it. And I know somebody's going to ask me, so whenever I order online, I always use Ship Me to clear my stuff. Now Ship Me is not a bandolo thing. Them go through customs, and I can't even begin to tell them how much customs charge me for bringing them something. Then they feel like Forever 21 one big dirty stinking name brand store. Forever 21 is not expensive. Well, it is when me buy from Forever 21 though expensive. We're $14 and $9 something for Forever 21. But them come bill me like so I go shop at Saks Fifth Avenue. And I don't think that necessary. So customs for the better. Alright, so let's move on to the to the shorts. Woo, baby. This right here, boo-boo, this right here, what's it called? And it's a medium, and I spent $15.90 for it, and it's called Basic Top Black. I love the crisscross. I love how it fits me. I love the long sleeve, and I love it. This one has a peephole. No, it doesn't have a peephole. Yes, it does. It has a peephole. I love this so much, and I bought this to work out in, and I'm like, I don't know. I mean, am I going to go to the gym or not? Alright, then this one is a cute little crop top. This is definitely, I will definitely not be wearing this to the gym, boo-boo. I'll hail to the mouth. And the front just says, break the mold, change your limits. I love the zipper detailing at the back. I love how it's nice and warm. Not that I'm going to need it because I live in Jamaica, but I love this. So I'll be wearing this just as a regular crop top. I won't be wearing it to the gym. So that's that. And this right there, this other mesh one is big, but this mesh one though, it's, what's it called? It's just called Basic Top Black medium, and I paid $15.90 for it, and it's just mesh, as you can see, but it's really long. Like it can stretch all the way down to your knees if you allow it to, and it has peepholes as well. So of course it's meant for the gym, but I don't know, I really love this. I know I could wear this to the gym for true, I'm not sure. I'm going on vacation soon, and hopefully there's a gym at the hotel that we'll be going to, because you know your girl is ready, bubble. So next we're going to be moving on to the tights, but before we get to the tights, I want to get to the one bodysuit that I actually bought, and this one is called Jumpsuit Black, and I spent $24.90 for it. And this one is the one that I'm least comfortable in. I thought just by looking at it, I was like, crap, I probably should have gotten the large. because this medium looks a little bit snug, and I know now that I could have gone with a small because of how stretchy the material is. And I'll be doing some squat what do you call them now, squat test to see if it's squat worthy, because not all of us wear black underwear to the gym or whatever, and I'm not the thong wearing girl stuff. I'm have to wear my bingo. No, stop the laughing. I have to wear my bingo is a must. It is. I hope I remember what I was saying, but the point is I'm not really comfortable in this. I know I'm gonna have to wear a top over this, yeah, because I can't wear this by itself, and I was planning on wearing this out. I cannot wear this like as a jogging thingy, you know, like a jumpsuit thingy. So I don't know yet, but I mean this would be really cool for the gym as well. So let's see. Then, oh my goodness, so this leather pleather, what's it called? It's called legging long black. I don't these descriptions, but listen, I love this tights. I did not buy it for the gym, I bought it to go out because I am dope. But yeah, so I got these, and these are in a medium, and these I paid $19.90 for. I really love them. They fit really nice and snug. When I was putting these on, for most of these tights, well, let me talk about this one. For this one, when I was putting it on, it felt a little bit snug, and I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna fit in this bubble, but I did, so kudos to me. Alright, so this one right now is the mesh one, and this one was a little bit, I had to, you know, like for go up in there, but it worked. I'm all properly. So this, Jonathan, what you doing? What you doing? What are you doing? So this one has mesh detail as well. I love the mesh detailing. This is definitely gym worthy. I mean, hello. I mean, obviously heading to the gym in that one. These last two are my favorite ones. I love the gradient on this one, and I love how and I love how high-waisted this is. I'm a sucker for high-waisted pants, and this one goes with the first, I think it was the first one, but the sports bra that I showed you guys, I'm going to pair these two together. So yeah. And it's a knee length one, or like a calf length. I love the gradient. You see how beautiful that is? Gym, obviously. And this last one, you're on the phone, you're talking to daddy? You talking to daddy? You talking to daddy on the phone? This last one I love because of the pockets. Now I didn't even notice that had pockets. And then this is this reversible. There's another pocket up here. I didn't know that, but I love the pockets on this. And this one is $19.90 medium, and this one is $14.90. It says legging capri, $14.90 medium, and this one is legging long black, $19.90. Guys, if you're sleeping on Forever 21's activewear, y'all need to wake up, bubble. It is lit, it is live, it turn over up like Zaful. All of them things are combinationalized. So these, I love them because of the pockets, because of the length, because of the me. And I'm done with the Forever 21 stuff. Now I'm on to Zaful. I don't think I apologized earlier, but I'm sorry for hearing a whirling sound. My fan is on. This ring light is so hot, bro. So I'm just going through my Zaful stuff, and I got mostly bathing suits, but I saw that I bought 3 sports bras. Three sports bras, 3 same sports bras but different colors. I'm addicted to sports bras because I don't wear brasiers to the gym or to the hill. I wear sports bras, and I'm hella addicted. So this one is oh my god, it's a medium. I got everything in a medium, but there's no tag on it to say that it is a medium, but I did get it in a medium. Let's talk about the quality for a bit, because these things on Zaful are hella cheap. Let me just go and say that. And I like how there's a cover here to cover the top part of the zipper and the bottom part of the zipper. Like, that's cute. It's flat, that's cute. Yeah, they're really cheap. And I got these in a medium, and all the bathing suits I got in a medium as well. So I got that black one, and then I got this pink one. I'm so hella excited. I want to go to the gym right now, but I know I can't. Cute. And I think Victoria's Secret has similar ones. But this shocking color green though, like I old trouble green, I old trouble y'all, I old trouble you. So I will not be trying those on. Let me tell you why. I am still uncomfortable with my body, and I know I've lost weight, but I'm still a little uncomfortable. So I'm just taking it. I'm just taking it one step at a time. I did the full Forever 21 stuff, and for my bathing suits, y'all have to stay tuned to my Snapchat because I'll be wearing them. Yeah, so you guys can stay tuned to my Snapchat for that. But this first one, I don't even know the name because they came in some. Let me show you the bags. They came in these, like bags like these, and then this is made in China and numbers. There's no name or anything, but this one is Versace inspired and it's high-waisted. For most of the bathing suits I got them high-waisted because I'm very self-conscious about my tummy, and this one is like a bra thingy. So this and this goes together, and if I find images on the website, I'll definitely post them for you guys so you guys can see what it looks like. At least this one is my favorite one of the entire thing that I got, and it says baby got back. Yes honey, because she do. She be squatting. So, and again, it's high-waisted and it's gonna grab my belly, suck it in, and they go together. But look at the back, that thong detail in the back, very nice. To show off my new shoulders. Yo, I've been killing shoulders, guys. I be killing them, boo-boo. This one, they sent me 2 of these. So one's gonna belong to my mom. Okay, there we go. This is what it looks like, and this, I like the make of those. These just look normal. I mean, it's good quality for the price that you pay. It doesn't look all the way cheap, but it doesn't look all the way expensive. You know what I mean? It's like right in the middle, and so this goes up. There's this big V cut, and then it ties. So you guys are going to see what that looks like on me, and it's, of course it's high-waisted as well. Guys, I'm very sorry I'm not trying these on, but please understand. And it's just the same one here. So it's the one there just showed it, it's the same one. But please understand when I say I'm truly not comfortable. Me trying the Forever 21 stuff was coming out of my comfort zone. So please understand. And last but not least from Zaful is this high-waisted one again. And it's black and white and it ties. It's a halter. Okay. Alright, that's some thread there. Alright, not to worry about, but this is nice, and I got everything in a medium. This looks a little bit big, but you know, whatevs. So I got everything in a medium, high-waisted bathing suit, and everything ties at the back. Zaful, I found out through Sarah's Day. Sarah's Day is another fitness YouTuber that I watch that I did not mention to you guys, but I am infatuated with Sarah's Day and this new one, Gauge Girl Training. If you want to know about your body type, I found out that I'm an endomorph. Had no idea, boo. And why not losing weight? And you've been doing squats, you've been doing this, and you can't lose weight because you can't. It depends on your body type and what you're eating, and some proteins are bad and lying to you on the label. It's like Gauge Girl Training is lit, and Sarah's Day really put me on to Zaful. She doesn't know me, but I love Sarah's Day so much. She's Australian. I love her so much. I love her body, where she's coming from, her story, how she struggled with food. She eats a lot. Then I mean, she's just one of the realest YouTubers you'll ever meet. I mean, not meet because I haven't met her, but you'll ever watch. I mean, Sarah's Day is bae as far as I'm concerned. She gives me amazing meal ideas. I mean, I don't do them, but I think about it, I salivate, and then I go to my bed. Alright. But that's basically it for my very huge fitness haul, you guys. I did not know I bought sports bras from Zaful. 3 sports bras from Zaful. Ooh, I'm so excited. I really want to go to the gym today, but I can't. I'm busy. I have to edit this video and have this video up in a timely manner. Plus I have vlogs, not vlogs, I have tutorials, collabs, so much. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this one, and please don't forget to subscribe and check out the 2 YouTubers that are mentioned, Gauge Girl Training and Sarah's Day. No, here. So guys, please check out those 2 YouTubers. that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye, guys.